Well, good morning everybody, my name is Mike and this is what we're catching 360. Thank you very much for joining us. And again, I'll tell you why. We were at Rietvlei Dam. So last week, the weekend, we headed out to Roodekoppies Dam and we tried absolutely everything. We did specimen, we did papgooi, we tried wafters and floaties and you name it, and the fish did just not come out. So ultimately we blanked. Now, to get over that blank and to make myself feel better, I decided I want to come through to Rietvlei Dam. The goal and everything that I'm trying to achieve anyway, is I want to really catch my PB. So that is my goal for this year. Rietvlei Dam is nice and close. We were hoping to do that in Roodekoppies. You know what, it just didn't work. Luck was just not on our side. So you know what, it is what it is. So yeah, it might be a little bit boring, and I'm sorry, but I quite like Rietvlei. It's close to home. It's now 38 Rand, 39 Rand to get in. It's super cheap. The water's good, fish are nice, so why not? However, in the next trip, we should be going through to Klipdrift Dam. Haven't fished there yet, so that's going to be quite exciting. But for now, guys, this is it. We are here. I'm hoping to get wet, but not to get wet, but to catch that PB. So you know what, that's just what it is. I'll show you guys what we're going to be doing a little bit later on. But for now, I am going to finish setting up, and hopefully we catch some fish and not blank. Who wants to blank? Alrighty guys, so what I'll be using today is a bit of Potency, Jumbo's Mielies, so it's pineapple one, crazy pine, banana paste, my banana floaties over there. Okay, so I've got the banana paste and the crazy pine on there with a bit of Potency, and then on the hook I got a Mieli, so the pineapple Mieli and the banana floaty, and that's it. So this little thing over here is called a kite, and I'll explain to you guys how that little thing works, but it's actually such a phenomenal thing. Then on this side over here, same mixture, except what I've done is I've got it on this rig thing over here, and I've got a fake tiger and a krill wafter. So that's what I have here. And guys, that is it. The bait boat is there, the acculines are going to go in, and we are hopefully, Martin and myself, so Martin and I are hopefully going to catch fish today.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Oh, check it.
Wow!
It's ready. Check it out, check it out.
Yes, you're gonna catch one before me. I think
Let's see, is it on?
that one must be on because it was full running.
Is it on? Let's see. I don't know actually. Oh, Martin does feel like it's on. After this weekend's blank session, this is amazing. So this guy's fighting quite nicely, and especially, you know, I keep ranting and raving, but these little Tempo V1 10 foots are amazing. So not the biggest fish, but you know what, after my blank at Roodekoppies, this is very welcome. Very, very welcome. Look at the condition of these fish. Absolutely stunning. What a beautiful fish. Thank you, big boy. There we go. Off you go. Stunning. So this little thing over here is called a kite, and they come in like many different sizes. And what you do is you just add it onto your rig like this, and what happens is when you reel in, this little kite picks up your line and picks everything up, so it prevents you or gives you a much greater chance of not getting snagged. So they come in quite a couple of different sizes. This is one for basically this type of weight, so this does an adequate job. So when you reel it in, basically lifts your bait and stuff, or your hooks, from probably about yay high, or a meter. No, that wasn't a meter, but okay. So then that means all your good stuff here does not get hooked. So a guy by the name of Don makes it. I want to put his name and number in the description below, and I want to put it right over. There it is. Check it out, give them a call. They're really not that expensive. It's about 20 bucks or about 5 or 10 or whatever it is. These things are magic little things, these. Anyway, let's rebait. I've left this little kite on top here. Reason being is I'm not casting with this, it's going in with a boat. So it doesn't really matter if it's in on top of the ball. If it's in the ball, it really doesn't matter, because it's going to dissolve anyway. Right, on the hook, jumbo banana floaties. I'm going to take 2, like so. And I'm only fishing with 1 hook. It's the bottom hook. Like I said, I've changed from a number 1 Daiichi to a number 2, just because these fish are a little bit bigger. So there we are. Pop it on like that, and then some jumbo banana paste. On it goes, like so, and like so. Then a little bit of crazy pine, because we can, like that. Then last but not least, to top that boy off, got a Potency. This stuff is quite thick. Shake it up. Actually don't, I just take my finger and I'll smear that goodness on. Just drop some down the line, like so. There we go. Feedies there, Mieli bomb there, and Aculine here at the bottom. So clip that in. There we go. Push the boat. No mess, no fuss. There she goes. So this is how Martin casts in. He sits, he chills out, he watches his remote, he watches the fish finder, and
37
there we go.
meters.
Awesome.
Oh, there's a swim for you. Like Daniel.
That fish finder thing just said there's a 9.8, 7 point whatever fish at where, well, on my spot type of thing. And you know that my PB is only 6 kilos. Yeah, anything over 6. Martin is on. This time he's not fighting a weight like what he was just now. This time he's actually got a fish on. Let's go help him net it. Do you want me to help you net? Martin, well done, man. How does it feel to finally catch a fish? Feels lucky, eh?
Hey, I don't like anymore. Hallelujah.
See the weight of that. Let's check the 11.6. Awesome, man, awesome. There we go, guys. Hey, well done. Smile, Martin, pretend you're happy. So I thought that this line was stuck now because it was pulled in, had a whole bunch of reeds on and all sorts of good stuff, grass and whatnot. And now I feel there's actually a fish on here. Who knows how long this fish has been on? Can you guys believe it? Yes, there is a lot of grass and reeds. Let's go, boy. Here we go. A very unexpected fish. Thanks, big boy. Let's get a picture of you. Other way. Is this happening? Is that happening? And that's with my krill floaty.
Yeah, so it's turning.
Uh-huh. Hey, you guys, have a squiz there. Yeah. So guys, this took on the wafter that I've got, or that I bought, that krill fish flavored wafter. Some nice head bumps going on there. Oh, guys, have a look at that. There we go, look at that. Absolutely beautiful fish. Jeez. Yeah, check it out. Thank you, boy. Yes, that's nice. Thanks a lot. Guys, look at that. Yes, thank you, my boy. Off you go. So what I've been doing with this here, so that's just normal mealie bomb, and then my first attempt at building a rig, and I built this here and it seems to be working well. So that's a fake maize over there, a fake tiger nut, and this is a 16mm krill waft. What I do then is I take the jumbo banana paste, I literally dip all of that in there like so. Obviously I put some on the ball like that, then I take some of the crazy pine and I'll just pop a little bit on like so. And the last thing that I've been doing is I've been taking some of this Potency and putting a bit of it on the ball like this, and then just rubbing all of that in, and literally taking my fingers, putting it in here, rubbing it up and down this line and down the braided section there as well. so it just kind of gives it that streak in the water, and that's what I've been doing. And let's see if we can catch one more fish. The bait boat was still on its way back to shore, and boom, fish on. Yeah. Hey, can you believe it? The boat wasn't even back. Yes, it is. Awesome, awesome, guys. So that boat wasn't even back yet, and next fish was on. There she is, guys. Not the biggest one. I mean, that was super quick. I mean, that really bit fast. Okay, let's see. Leader line is on. Oh, she does not want to come in. So we can bully her a little bit. Him, her. Come now, dude. Just another fish. It's nice. Let's not get it wrong. Yeah, it's a mohi fish. Guys, look at this, man. How special. Let's see how much this one is. 4.5. There-ish. Yeah, 4.5 kilos. So there's a nice fat stomach. It's a nice tail. That's my boy. Right, guys, so that concludes the day's fishing, and I must say it was actually a really pleasantly awesome day. It was four fish, we'll see in the video, that I landed today, so that's really great. Didn't get that big one, but you know what, that just is what it is. Next time maybe I'm lucky and my PB is waiting for them when the weather's warmer, who knows. But guys, remember, up for grabs are these super cool sensation landing nets. One big one, one small one, and you know what, once the channel hits 2,000 subscribers, we'll be doing a draw, giving that away. And while I'm doing it, you know what, it's a milestone in the channel's lifespan, if I can put it like that. It's just a way that we can say thank you to you guys for subscribing and watching us fish, so it's pretty cool. But guys, that is it from us, and what else can I say? But I had fun. I really had a good, awesome, fun day. So we'll definitely come do this again. But guys, thank you very much for watching, and as always, take care, stay safe, we'll catch you again.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.